Imagine making over $10,000 every single month while you still juggle high school work, right? It sounds unreal to many of you guys and think it's impossible. Well, that's my reality as a 17-year-old entrepreneur, you can say, who's running a 6-figure content marketing agency for my clients. Well, before we dive into the details, let me just give you some background. First of all, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arian, and I specialize in short-form content marketing right here in Toronto, Canada. From car dealerships to luxury real estate properties, my agency creates videos that drive results. And without further ado, let's dive into how it all works. So what is exactly short-form content? Simply put, it's any video under 90 seconds, and it's perfect for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And pretty much these bite-sized videos are designed in a way to grab attention quickly and engage viewers pretty much instantly. But as of 2024, short-form content is pretty much incredibly powerful. You see, it caters to today's fast-paced audience. Everyone is just like binge scrolling Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, the platforms that I named, right? And with people scrolling so quickly, you got only a few seconds to make an impression. And that's where my agency excels. We pretty much psychologically engineer our videos so that it attracts viewers just like that. But before we dive into the video, let me give you a background on how I started this. You see, 2 years ago, I was just a kid with a camera, filming anything that caught my eye. But let me just put it into concept, I'm still a kid. Jokes aside, literally 17 now, 17. And pretty much I spent countless hours editing and I'm pretty much improving my skills. And over time, my videos became more engaging and professional. Yet I was still filming with an iPhone, which was pretty horrible. But right now, these days, iPhones are pretty good. Even if you want to get started with YouTube, shoot for clients, iPhone, I think is the go-to as of today. And after a while of editing and doing these editing works, my friends and family members started commenting on how polished my work looked and how professional it looked. That's when I realized, just like this, that I could turn this passion into something more, something that I could monetize, right? And make a couple bucks out of it. Later, I didn't realize that this industry has a lot of money in it, particularly the big ones. So I came up with this idea that if I create videos for myself, I could also create videos for some companies. And as a result, I went to local businesses and I offered them to create content for them on a usually daily basis for their social media for less than $500 per month, which is way below the minimum wage if I've done a part-time job basically. And to my surprise, I should say, they loved my work that I showed to them and agreed to work with me, which was pretty great after I think few rejections that I got. But the good thing is that the first project was actually a game changer. The video outperformed exceptionally and it boosted their revenue by meaning that they said that we need to invest more into these platforms basically. When I got encouraged by the success, I didn't stop there. So I reached out to more local businesses like real estate agencies, restaurants, and developers. And I should say within 2 months framework, I secured around 3 clients, paying me worth of $1,000. With the increased workload, I hired short-form editors to help me produce around 15 to 20 videos per week, which was a nice income, I should say, for a 17-year-old, even having someone to work with. So me and my editor went through a lot of videos. And one thing we realized that is the most important thing for all of these short form videos is that you need to have a compelling hook, because hooks are the crucial first few seconds that grab the viewer's attention, just like this, which is huge. And our content that we made actually wasn't just visually appealing, it told stories that resonated with audiences. And I should say we dominated every niche that we tackled, like restaurants, dealerships, real estates. In fact, one of our standout projects that I remember until today was for a car dealership at a local coffee shop, where the videos actually achieved over millions of views. And you see, these businesses, instead of spending thousands of dollars on traditional marketing, like the newspapers, the radio, or those old ways of advertising, we actually helped them to expand their businesses through social media. And I think it was a much more effective way because you can tap into a lot more people at a fraction of the cost. As a result of our quality work, our clients were pretty happy. So my business also got a huge jump with the AI and ChatGPT, because in today's world, AI, artificial intelligence, is one of the biggest game changers in pretty much history. You see, with AI and the right tools as of today, making money has become much more accessible because you have access to all of these tools and you can create very quality work for clients. And that's what we did, because Return Group, my company, it's not just a marketing agency, it's a marketing and an AI agency, which we use AI tools to create those viral, sensational videos for you guys. I think people who are not, as of today, leveraging AI, they're missing out on a lot of stuff, which is huge. Like as of today, I think Premiere Pro has a lot of features with AI that you can use, including syncing the sound, captions, to even extending your footage. These are just like small tricks of AI. Yet on the other side, you see that you can plan your videos with AI, you can plan your scenes, you can even create different settings for your videos. And that's the power of AI. You can manipulate and you can change anything that you want, which is huge. So the question comes down to this: how can you do the same to make a realistic income north of a 10K per month? Well, I'm going to show you some steps that you can follow and you can get to where I am today. So number one is that we always get this misconception that you don't have to pursue your passion, because I see a lot of people talk about, okay, you don't have to pursue your passion, you just have to go to like the latest trends. This is absolutely not true. You see, if someone is really good in front of camera, they want to be in front of camera. Why should they go and do a job that they don't want to do? Start with what you love, and pretty much your enthusiasm will drive you forward. Number two is consistently improve. Never stop learning. Each project is a chance to get better. If you just go through and see my first videos, to this day, I don't see I'm perfect. I think I'm just like 10%, 15% down the road. I think I have a way to go for editing and for how I do my videos. Never stop learning. It's huge. Number three, I should say you have to embrace today's technology. Well, you see schools and teachers right now these days, they say, okay, you don't have to use AI. Well, in some extent they're right, because it keeps you locked and you can't learn that much. Like for example, if you want to learn math, if you use AI, you're gonna drastically fail and you can't understand the concepts. However, if you use AI to teach you how to do the math in the most efficient way, you can leverage it to the utmost and get the best grades out there. And that is what we should do. We don't have to cheat. We just have to use the AI to the best possible way to leverage it and improve our skills and dominate the world. Number four, which is also very important, is to take initiative. You know, many people just sit down there and they just wait for opportunities to come by. Well, opportunities don't come by themselves. You have to create them. You have to sharpen the skills yourself for those people to reach out to you. Because if you don't do that, they'll never reach out to you. You see, if I was sitting at home, just going to school and coming back, in a hope that one day I'll make like, let's say $5,000 per month. Well, that would have been impossible. You know why? Because I was just sitting at home doing nothing and 99% of people were ahead of me. So why not those 99% of people? Of course them. And don't wait for opportunities, just create them. For example, once you're sharpening your skills, reach out to potential clients proactively. Shoot until one of them lands. And number five, I think is huge. You have to deliver excellent. Quality works sets you apart and keeps clients coming back. Like I see a lot of people, they say, okay, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best, yet their work sucks. Have to put the work in and give like quality work. Without quality work, all the things that you say out of your mouth are just worthless. So you have to set the quality work to the clients so they keep coming back and you grow the branch. Because you see, the main thing in our business, particularly in the marketing agency business, is connections, which is number six. You need to build relationships. Network is your net worth. So treat every interaction as valuable, because I pretty much myself got 75% of my clients through connections and relationships, which is huge. And I think many business owners do that as well. I think the biggest difference between those who succeed and those who don't often comes down to like taking action. So you see, while everyone is just out there and like talk about AI, how like it's gonna help humanity or how it's gonna destroy humanity, you should be the one actually using it and leverage it. If a 17-year-old can build a six-figure business using these AI tools and like these random tools of internet, so can you. It's just about using the opportunities pretty much right in front of you. And without further ado, guys, thank you for watching. And if you found pretty much this video helpful or like inspiring, please give it like a thumbs up. And of course, if you're a hater, you can comment down below. I don't mind. And why not subscribe for more insights?